I think I've had a love affair with New York City all my life. Sometimes in the dark of the early morning, I begin to question my own sanity. What am I doing out here? But then the sky begins to glow with the dawn's first light, and I know that I'm right where I'm supposed to be. Winter mornings can be brutal, but the end result is always worth it. Whether or not I come back with a great image, I enjoy being out there, watching the day begin. It's really become quite spiritual. New York City always feels new, always different. The skyline is in constant motion, continuously growing, evolving. I sense the city's rhythm, and I want to capture its pulse. My camera needs to be capable of capturing imagery with the same clarity and dynamic range that I'm envisioning. Yet at the same time, it needs to remain transparent enough to not interfere with the creative process. When I'm exploring Manhattan with a camera and tripod on my shoulder, I want my results to match, if not exceed, my efforts. A great lens is so much more than just its sharpness. Each lens has its own flavor and personality, increasing your palette and expanding your options, while greatly influencing the final image. I enjoy experimenting with lenses that are different than unique. Cine, photographic, special effect, and even vintage lenses. And I need my camera to be adaptable, allowing me full access to the tremendous range of lenses that are available. Sarah is my partner and Crazy Duck's senior producer. She organizes everything and makes it all happen. Although she's an excellent photographer and filmmaker in her own right, we enjoy working together more than apart. More importantly, she shares my passion for the city, and when time allows, we explore it together. We are fortunate to have a diverse and eclectic circle of clients, and because of that, we're responsible for creating a wide range of film types, from advertising and marketing to documentary and editorial. So the cameras we use have to work for us in many situations, and they have to work well together. So whether we're working together with clients or I'm out on my own, I'm always discovering new ways to embrace the experience. Doing what you love and loving what you do is an unbeatable combination. Having the right tools that will help you achieve your vision is an essential part of the creative process.